For centuries, humanity chased power in the sky and sea, but one element has always been hiding in plain sight: salt. Salt built empires. It preserved life. It shaped trade. Now, it fuels something greater: salinity gradient power. Salinity gradient power extracts energy from the difference in salt concentration between two water bodies, studied for over 50 years. Now, ready for the real world. We imagine every river estuary as a power plant, every coastline an energy source, and salinity gradient power, not an alternative, but part of the baseload. Here's how we get there. It begins with desalination. It's one of the most energy-hungry processes on Earth. So we use it as our proving ground. Reverse electrodialysis plus reverse osmosis lowers energy use. Add forward osmosis, get better recovery, even less energy. We don't just reduce cost, we flip the economics. Today, brine is waste. We say it's wealth. With WeGen Green, we extract magnesium, calcium, and other minerals, resources used in steel, aluminium, pharma. Minerals become revenue, and by removing them, we make reverse electrodialysis more efficient. Less hardness equals better conductivity equals more power. We extract, we sell, we reinvest. That cycle funds scale and unlocks utility-grade salinity gradient power. To go mainstream, we must slash levelized cost of energy. We manufacture stacks in Asia, we open source membranes, we scale to reduce cost. It's the same playbook solar and wind followed to drop 90% in a decade. Energy is expensive, desalination is worse, so we solve the hardest part first. Powering desalination with salinity gradient power proves viability, and manufacturing reverse electrodialysis stacks cheaply builds supply chains, volume, and trust. This isn't just sustainability, it's circular efficiency that drives energy innovation and cuts levelized cost of energy where it matters. Once we hit 1,000 units, we open source the Medisun stack. Why? Because growth comes from collaboration. Let others build on our architecture while we supply membranes and components. We grow the ecosystem, not just the company. Then we build full-scale plants. Salinity gradient power works 24/7. No sun needed, no wind required. It's silent, reliable, constant. And with nanotech, material science, and process breakthroughs, it will outperform traditional power. History's on our side. PV took 100 years, we'll take 10. Solar levelized cost of energy dropped from $450 to $50 in 12 years. Wind dropped from $110 to $30 in 13 years. The world faces mineral shortages, geopolitical risk, and supply fragility. Salinity gradient power solves these problems with timing on its side. Limits aren't real. They're just assumptions waiting to be broken. Solar once had a ceiling until it didn't. So will saltwater. So will we. If affordability is key, standardize and scale. If ubiquity is the goal, open the gates. Our five-fold strategy. 1. Commercialize salinity gradient power. 2. Fund it with brine and desalination. 3. Open source design. 4. Retain supply of core tech. 5. Power the world. Quietly, cleanly, constantly. We're not selling a dream. We're building on science, on numbers, on salt, stack by stack, brine by brine. Medisun, created by the ocean, deciphered by science.